Alright guys, welcome back to JFORCEGAMING. And do you work from home a lot, or do you constantly on calls communicating with clients, or are you probably a customer service agent, alright, that needs to talk to customer all the time? Well, you should definitely try out this OLEAP Pilot P200B Pro. Alright, so yeah, this is open ear headphone with an attached mic that has noise cancellation. So this is a really interesting product, alright, that I would like to share with you guys. Alright, before that, let me just go ahead, open this and see what we get inside the box. Alright, so yeah, with my handy pen knife, let's open it up. Alright, I'm kind of curious to see what we'll be getting inside here. So yeah, this can be very useful if you are especially someone who calls a lot, or a lot of meetings, or especially in Zoom call, or if you're looking for the perfect one, for meetings. Alright, I think this will be the best out there. Alright, you can wear it for long hours without any pain in your ear, because this is an open ear concept. Alright, let me just get this out. You get the box over here. Alright, a box inside a box. Alright, so yeah, it's really nice presentation on the box itself. It's really cool. Alright, I think if I'm not wrong, that's how it opens this way. Yep, open this way. So really cool. Alright, I love the unboxing experience. It's really unique. Alright, give you that premium feel to it. Alright, and thank you cards with a really nice letter from Louis. Alright, you guys can read the whole thing. Alright, but if you guys want to read it, I'll just put it up here right now. Alright, you guys can pause the screen and read it. Alright. It's the founder. Alright, it's a thank you letter. Really nice to receive this kind of letter that in the unboxing experience, to show that the product that was presented to you are really something else. Alright, so we have a quick start guide as well. Alright, and last but not least, right, we have the earphone itself, nicely presented over here. Alright, I love the unboxing experience. The box is really unique as well. Alright, we do get some adjusting instructions and some user manual as well. Okay, we do get the accessories box inside. Okay, what we have here is I think this is a pouch for you to store the headset, so you can carry it around. Yep, right, it's a pouch. Right, this pouch feels really nice. Alright, this pouch feels really good, really nice. Alright, it looks like it's a fox leather pouch. Really nice. I love the feel of it. Alright, with an embossed logo. Really high and premium quality. And most of the time, all this free stuff, alright, that's included in it, or they'll cheap out on it, but this one feels really good and really premium. Alright, so yeah, really love the unboxing experience here. We do have accessories up here. Alright, inside its own box, really cute. Let's see what accessories do we get. Okay, we do have a mic sponge to prevent any air, like wind noise. Okay, we do have multiple of it. We do have a lot of accessories. Alright, we do have they give you another USB dongle. I don't know what it was this for, probably it's like connected to PC or what. And we have a standard USB A to USB C to charge up the headset as well. And multiple sponge filters for the mic itself. And I think these are pretty much all of it. Alright, so okay, so let me just take a look. So this is the product itself. You guys can see, alright. Very lightweight, surprisingly. Alright, and feels really good in hands. Rubber feels really nice. Alright, and yeah, overall it feels really lightweight. Alright, that's one thing. You don't want to like wear a heavy thing on your head. Alright, and yeah, the material, everything feels really good. Alright, and yeah, they have like some controls over here. You guys can see, right, some of the controls over here. Yep, and yeah, so this one is an open ear one, so it won't fit inside your ear. Alright, just outside your ear, which I love it, because after long hours of in-ear one, probably like 1 or 2 hours later, it will feel extremely painful and extremely uncomfortable on my ear. I don't know if you guys have experienced like this before, but I cannot put headphones in my ear for too long, probably 1 hour max. after that I'll start to feel very uncomfortable. I love open ear concept. I can put on for many hours without feeling uncomfortable at all. Alright, and this is the mic itself. Alright, really nice. Alright, the mic can tilt around. Alright, and one of the accessories is this one. So you can add on this one if you don't want to have the popping noise. Alright, it's like a pop filter where they use it in movies to make you like sounds and hear better. Alright, to remove any like pop or like a wind, there's a lot of wind. Alright, it also reduces that as well. But I'm gonna just put this in. Alright, so I'm gonna just do a quick fit test and see how this thing feels on my ear. So I think this one should be, so this one should turn this way. Alright, and this one should be like that. Not wrong. Yep, this one just goes down and then the mic can be adjusted. So yeah, this is how it feels. Looks like, as you can see. Alright. Yeah, very comfortable, extremely comfortable. I love it. Alright, and yeah, stays in place really well. Super lightweight, and yeah, it feels really good. Alright, so yeah, if you have like a lot of Zoom meetings or what that you need this, I think this is really nice. You can adjust the mic as well, you can adjust it, and the buttons are easily accessible, so you can adjust different settings. I think there's no buttons over the left, but the left side there is buttons, so you can adjust volume up, volume down, play, pause, alright, mute, unmute. Really awesome. The buttons, I love the physical button, not those touch control, because you might accidentally touch until something else. The physical one is the best. You can feel it, you can increase it. Really awesome. Alright, and yeah, it just looks really good, and it doesn't really cover up your face a lot, so yeah, it doesn't affect any. You can still eat. If you're eating, you can still eat. The microphone doesn't get in the way. Alright, yeah, you can still do your facial makeup or whatever you want to do. Right, the microphone just stays at the one side, so it doesn't get in the way. I think it's really good. Oh, I just realized from the manual there is a mute key. Oh, it's on this side. There's this button here. Mute and unmute. So it's very convenient. So probably if you don't want anyone else to hear, other than you speaking, so whenever you speak, and you're done speaking, just press on to mute, and you can talk to your family or friends without anyone hearing because it's muted. And you want to unmute to probably talk to the boss or continue meeting, alright, just press to unmute again. So yeah, this is the really convenient mute button at the side here. Alright, just click once to mute, click again to unmute. So very convenient wise. Alright, and oh, and below here there is a USB-C port for you to charge the headset. Alright, but let me just turn it on. Okay, so I've connected it to my phone right now. Okay, we're gonna do like a quick mic test to see how this actually sounds like. Okay, so right now I'm recording from my mic, or on this mic itself. Alright, so you guys can hear. Yeah, I'm actually on this mic. So yeah, you guys can hear how it actually sounds. I think it sounds really good. Alright, it picks up my voice really loud, really clear, really concise. Alright, and it removes really a lot of background noise at all. Alright, from the graph I don't see any, when I keep silent or what, I don't see any noise being picked up. Alright, especially how loud, how noisy I am in my room right now. Alright, I think it's really good, especially if you are using this for outdoors, or in public spaces. I think this works really well if you don't want your clients or your boss to hear that you're do not hear you, because sometimes mics, right, especially in the public area, it can be very hard to pick up your voice, but this one is really solid. Alright, so yeah, this is the mic test. Alright, it's on the on this P200B Pro, so it's really awesome. Alright, and yeah, so this is the mic test. So right now I will listen to some music, because probably you want to use this as a music, so you just need to tilt this up, right? If you want to use this as a music listening device, you can just tilt this backwards. Alright, so the mic is not in your space. You can use this like for jogging, alright, for walking. Alright, you can use it as well for daily music listening. Alright, so I'm just listening to some musics, alright, all kinds of different music like pop, classical, hip, jazz. Alright, I'll be back in about 5 to 10 minutes and give you my verdict on how this actually sounds like you know, as a music player. So without further ado, I'll see you guys in about 10 minutes time.
20 minutes later.
Okay, so yeah, I'm not even kidding here. This thing sounds amazing. I don't know what it is, but it just sounds really clear, really amazing, and especially what I feel like is like, especially when I listen to like some, you know, love songs, you know, all those very slow paced music, alright? When the singer is singing, it gives this surreal feeling that the singer is singing directly in your ear, like, you know, the singer is just like standing beside you, singing straight into your ear. That's how I feel like. Oh wait, maybe it's the open ear concept or whatever, but it just feels pretty amazing. Alright, and the bass feels good. Alright, the bass is good, the high, mids, and lows are good. Alright, I wouldn't say that it is surprisingly, you know, comparable to like $500-600 audiophile headphones, alright, but this is pretty much comparable to those about $200-300 headphones out there that is designed for music. Alright, this thing is not really designed for music, it's more for like conference call, the Zoom meeting as well, alright, because the main thing is the mic. But on music wise, it sounds really awesome, alright, really clear, really nice, and very smoothing, alright, and it doesn't give like this static. Sometimes when you open the volume too loud, or different, or some various music can give this, like, you know, the kind of like noises, you guys know what I'm saying about, alright. Yeah, but this one doesn't have that, alright, and yeah, it sounds really clear, really nice. I really love this one, alright. It sounds awesome, it just sounds amazing, alright, and it doesn't sound cheap at all, alright. It just sounds really good. I don't know how to describe this, but yeah, if you want to use this for music, definitely you can use this for music. It sounds really good for music as well. Alright, so yeah, so this is my review of the OLEAP Pilot 200 P200B headset, and I think this is a really solid piece of headset that I highly recommend you guys to check it out. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention one thing: the battery life on this. Alright, so I think this thing can last up to like 16 hours or so. If you're just using the headset alone. If you're using the mic, I think it only lasts about like 10 hours, but that is really long time. I don't think you'll be in a Zoom meeting for like 10 hours, alright. So yeah, you can use it for multiple meetings without the need to charge, because probably a meeting lasts 1 or 2 hours at most, so you can last like 5 meetings. Alright, yeah, so yeah, you can use this without to charge for a very long time. The battery life is amazing on this thing. Alright, really lightweight, really nicely built, nice build quality on it. Alright, and the sound, playing music is superb. Alright, and you know, the mic is also really amazing. Alright, so once again, you gotta check out this headset. I link the first link in the video description down below for you guys to check it out. Alright, so without further ado, I'll end off the video for today, and if you guys find today's video really interesting and you guys want me to review more videos like this, you guys can let me know in the comment section as well. And without further ado, this is 𝖩forcegaming, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Peace out.
I don't wanna cry.